Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable Google Assistant on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google application on your Android phone. Then after that, you can click on this profile button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you, and you just need to click on settings menu right here. After that, you can scroll down until you find Google Assistant and then tap on it. After that, click on Hey Google and voice match. Alright, and if you want to disable or you want to turn off the Google Assistant, you just need to click on the circle button. But here I haven't turned on the Google Assistant, so it's still inactive. But if you want to disable, you just need to click on the toggle button. So we can click on the toggle button if you want to enable or disable. Okay guys, and that's how we can disable Google Assistant on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.